if you look at these stats, so digital finance over the years is making its mark, but definitely it's not enough. So on the left side, I took data from State Bank's report, the one which was published in December 2011 and the one which is just recently published in March 2020. It's about a 9-year gap. And if you look at some of the key statistics, so there's a significant, rather tremendous sort of increase. So if you look at the overall branchless banking accounts, from 500,000 only to more than 27 million accounts in the country. The deposits have increased 1,000 or 5,000 percentage. There's an increase in that, and so and so forth. And the value of the transactions have also increased. But if you look at, there's an interesting statistics that if you look at the average size of the transaction, which is basically the amount that you transact divided by number of transactions. So that was 3,855, and that's around same as well. In fact, it has dipped to 3,173. What this kind of shows or signifies is that there has not been much innovation or much inclusion of new use cases. So the use case that was when the branches banking services were launched, the bill payment, the P2P payment, the domestic remittance, that and mobile top up. And so even after 9 years, we still see that's the most effective use there. And we have not seen a change in the size of transaction either. So these are the supply side numbers. Financial inclusion is globally measured through a demand side survey. This is a survey which is done by Financial Inclusion Insights. It's called FII survey, and this is where you go and ask and meet the citizens, and through a national representative sample, you ask them if you have an account and if you know about an account. It's quite a detailed survey. But this one metric, which is the people when they were surveyed and they reported that they have used an account or have an access to an account, in 2019, the latest survey, which has not been published, but we have seen the result, it's about 21%. So you see that from 2013, it was about 8 to 9%, and now it's kind of 21%.